What's up guys, welcome to HBSC channel. My name is Elena and in today's video I'm going to share with you 10 Instagram aesthetic story hacks just using IG app. A few weeks ago I shared with you my best IG story hacks, so make sure to check out this video as this one will complete it. The link is just here. One very easy to do and efficient aesthetic hack is the spiral. It will give an awesome look to your story in no time. Just pick the pencil with a contrasting color, then pick the eraser to erase some lines and give this 3D effect to your photo. If you're sharing your last post or a picture in your story, frame it with some text to give it a good looking design. Efficient and super easy to do. This one is pretty cool. With those tools, you can actually use IG Story to create a thumbnail for your video. Either vertically or horizontally, depending if you are posting a video for IGTV or YouTube. Obviously, I'm not being very accurate, but with a bit more patience, you could get a really clean result. Pick the highlight pencil, hold the screen so it will give the opacity effect on your background, then erase the part you want to stand out, like I'm doing with the burger, and add your text. By the way, to know how to create the boxes, watch my previous video. Then, just save the photo to use it as your next thumbnail. This one is one of my favorite aesthetic hacks to write a title or short text. Super easy and it takes no time but gives a very cool look to your story. Handwrite a text, use the eraser tool to erase it, and write the text with a font. Highlight it and done. Use some box letters to write some words and make them stand out on your stories. You can either do a square box using the highlighted font or a round box using the pencil or a dot with the font strong. When you have a long text to write, but you want to add something original to your stories, Doodles is the answer. There are so many kinds of doodles. Find your own style and make it match with your picture. Use multiple fonts to create a design story. Well used, you will be able to guide your audience's eyes where you want to. Take a picture, draw an arrow, and with the eraser create lines. It also works with text, original and easy. If you want to create an original background, you can simply fill it up with text. To give a depth effect and get your audience attention, you can superimpose boxes. Now, to create boxes, I gave you this hack in my previous video, so be sure to check it out. So create 2 boxes, superimpose them and write your text on it. Thank you for staying. Here's my bonus tip. To create text into an image, you can follow the line and create a queue of text. You can add boxes or not. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you learned something useful for your day-to-day stories creation. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.